junkfoodtaster.com, and here we go, my dear friends. I've got random chocolate products from the supermarket, so I'm really loving the random series because I can just go to the supermarket, grab 5 random things, and then we have a nice episode, don't we? And yep, so first of all, I will unbox everything and cut. And the second part of the video will be the taste test. So this sounds interesting. This is Kinder Happy Hippo and the flavor is hazelnut. I think this is a flavor I haven't shown before. So they come in here. And this is super cute. So, okay, so this is the same team. I've got 4 different teams and they all have fancy names. So this is this is Sandy Selfie. Alrighty. Love it. What's he doing? This is a Wiki Wally. So this is a female hippo as well. Funny how they humanize the hippos. This is a Daniel DJ. Here we go. And Bella Ballerina. I think it's really funny. And let's strip it. I guess I prepare everything for a mascot. Here we go. So, next up I've bought, maybe let's check out this. This is like a very famous German caramel product brand. And they have now this, this round things. And this is the one with a cookie filling. Okay. Yeah, these are like small little things. And with a reclosable bag. Yeah, smell like toffee. Okay, next one. The next thing I got is Raffaello. No. What is the name? I forgot the name. Rocher, I think. A Rocher clone. And the Rocher clone is called Touché. Alright, it comes on this tray. Oh. So let's strip one of these. And next up, I've bought this one. I think I showed it before. This is, little koalas. But I decided to buy it again because it's got fancy artwork. So this is the Enchanted forest. And they have the same thing going on like the Happy Hippos. So this is really wisdom. Alrighty. So Sora, the sorcerer. Here you go, Fenya, the fee. I'm not quite sure how fee translates right now. Then Emma, the unicorn. Here's this gag with the first letter, same as of course in German. Then somebody called Dragono. Then Emil the elf. Merlin Magic, Robert the Knight. Alrighty. So, who do I like most? I think I like really the wisdom most. He gets this funny medieval dress. And here you can win. What can we win? So this is you can like swing around a swing already. I think the second one is a trampoline, yeah, and then we got a little roller, big wheel advanced. Okay, my friends. Anyways, it's like, is there a code I can show you? Yeah. When I don't use the codes myself, I like to show them. Aha, so it's a whole, didn't expect this actually. there's a figure, there's a figurine inside, and I got the knight. Okay. This is really cool. So all of them on the packaging you can collect. It's a very smart idea. So he's apparently wants to get out Excalibur sword. Doesn't look like he's managing it. Anyways, maybe I show the back side. Oh, here is the swords. So let's get one of these. Here's a small filled cookies. And the fifth product, I just grabbed this. It's called the Finesse, and it's little waffle leaves in dark chocolate. Here we go. Here it comes on this tray, which looks really kind of fancy. I think I do a mask cut. I'm not quite sure whether it will work, but we will see. Okay, let's get the biggest knife I have. Let's do it. I always cut stuff. Yes, I got everyone. Wow. Only on my channel. I always cut stuff. Okay. So, can you see everything, my friends? Here's the cutted caramel thing. Very small, of course. Here's the cutted koala, and here the cutted waffles. So, taste test. Yeah, rating, of course, is just about taste. See the Hippo. Now, Ferrero is very good at these creams here. Yeah, she is very fatty. I would say the hazelnut taste is not as intense as you could expect. It's more like sugary, but it's very smooth and fine. Okay, so next up are the caramel bites. Okay. Okay. This is definitely for mass consumption. I have to say this tastes very unique. I love this core. Which is like super dry. Okay, now I know what's going on. So this brings back childhood memories. So drinking warm milk with honey. Yeah. I don't like when you bite in it's a bit like sandpaper. But the finish, this is definitely a super interesting experience. Okay, next product. the fake Rocher. Okay. This is definitely not like the original quality. So sort of the waffle taste is dominating. Tastes kind of cheap and cardboardish. Yeah. I need to clean again. Alrighty. So next up are the chocolate koalas. They all have teams on the product itself. Look at this. Okay. This is rather unspectacular. And last product, this waffles. Yeah, I'm just getting some from the tray. Okay. But that's unspectacular. Good. Logbook time. Alrighty. So let's log the results of the 5 random chocolate products video. I'm rating just my form at the win. So, and since I have the green pen in hand, I rate Happy Hippo win, definitely. And also this Werther's original caramel bites cookie. Very long product name. So, I rate the Koala things, Enchanted Forest, I rate fun. So product wise, it's not that great, but it's really got really nice packaging. It got a figurine for collection, so I think it deserves the fun rating. It got like printed teams on the cookies itself. Alrighty, then I've got raw for these waffles. I didn't see really a point there. They are like Neapolitan waffles, which I think are more interesting. But anyways. And the Touché, I definitely would fail. So, this Rocher, the original, got a high complexity. So a little hazelnut piece outside, then the chocolate, then the waffle, then the cream, then the hazelnut inside. And it seems it's hard to copy in good quality. This tastes like. Just tasted not good. Also the chocolate not. Okay. There you have it. I hope you liked this episode and see you on Friday.